Hi friends, today I'm going to show you today I'm going to tell you what is mean by group policy. So what is mean by group policy? Group policy is called as a collection of objects by which we can restrict the user's permission, that is the client's permission, from the user level to the computer level. So from the user level to the computer level means what are the things you can change in the group policy means you can change the user configuration settings and the computer configuration settings, and these configuration settings can be changed with the help of the policy settings which can be implemented only from the Windows servers. So group policies can be configured from the Windows Server 2000 to the latest Windows Server 2012 or 2. So in all this, from using with the help of these servers, we can configure the group policy to the client machines. And in 2012 R2 server, the group policy has been more consistent, and lot of new options has been added in the Windows Server 2012 R2 when compared to the Windows Server 2008 or 2003. So using the group policy in Windows Server 2012 was more efficient other than all other servers. So let us see the group policy and what is mean by group policy first of all. So as a first step, we can see how the group policy is processed. So the group policy is applied with the help of the server to the client machine. So there must be certain order of processing these group policy settings to the client machine from the server. So let us see the processing settings. At first, the group policy is applied to the local group policy of, that is a local group policy object of the local system, and then the site level, and then the domain level, and then the organization unit level, that is the OUE level. So let's see this in real time. I'm just going to the group policy management console. So here you can see this is the group policy management controller in the Windows Server 2012 R2. So here you have a forest called as a taken.in, and the domain which is called as a taken.in, and the domain controller OU, and then some test OUs which can be seen here. So as a first step, the group policy will be applied in the local system, that is a local group policy objects only will get applied at the time of the system boot, and also whenever we are applying the group policy to the client machines. So what is meant by local group policy settings? The local group policy setting is nothing but the local GPU. That is, if you type gpedit.msc, you can retrieve the local group policy settings of a client machine. So here you can see the local computer policy, and so this is the local group policy settings which will get applied at the time of the system boot and whenever you are applying through the domain. So this is the first setting which will be applied to, to the computer, and after that the site level group policies are applied. So whenever you are having more than one site, that is a branch location and a head office, and whenever a policy is applied to the head office, that is if you have a forest and you have a primary domain controller in your head office. I'll just show you in your page. So you just have your head office, and here you have your branch office. So if you apply a policy to this head office, then it will be applied both to this branch office. That is, if you have more than one sites, if a policy was applied to a head office, then the policy will also get applied to the branch office. That is called as a site level group policy application, and the next one is a domain level. So here, for example, I have a domain here, and I have also have a default domain policy. This is called as a domain level application, that is a domain level group policy application. And after that, what you're going to see is a OU level. So for example, I have a group policy here, and that group policy, if linked to some other policies, this is called as the OU level, that is organization unit level. So whenever you apply a group policy, the first policy applied will be the local group policy, and the last policy applied will be the organization units group policy. This is the last policy, and the local group policy was the first policy. So this is the process of group policy which was getting applied in a system. I hope you understand well. So if it was not clear, you can just ping me so that I can able to clearly explain you later in some other video. Thank you for watching the video.